Namaste friends. Today our topic is there are no incurable diseases, only incurable people. Is this statement is true or false? 100% true. We can see the people who are unable to cure even a small diseases like a small wound, scars like that, or even a dandruff. But we can also see the people who recover from cancer, even from HIV, throughout the world. Why some people are not getting recovered? Why some people are getting recovered? Throughout, what's the common factor who are recovering from life-threatening diseases? If you have a survey or have an analysis throughout the world who are recovering from life-threatening diseases or any chronic diseases, both are different. Life-threatening diseases are like cancer, HIV, which may cost a life. Where chronic disorders are diabetes, thyroid imbalance, like that. These are all chronic disorders. In both life-threatening diseases and chronic disorders, we can see people are recovering who have a certain quality. The people who doesn't have such quality are suffering and even cost their own life. You see that people at the young age getting heart attacks, people at the young age become addictions and leading to liver failures, people at the young age getting cancers. You can also see the people at the old age getting the toughest diseases or getting healed with with who, with those who having this quality. The people who have this quality can cure any disease if they got. Now, this is the conclusion we can get once we have an analysis of the people who recovered from life-threatening diseases and chronic disorders. What is that quality? I will simplify you, and you can also follow and encourage your family members to adopt that quality, because this one quality missing leads to a death also, because this one quality make a difference between a survivor of cancer from a death by cancer. This one quality, what is that one quality? Taking responsibility. That is the one quality. That is the only one quality a cancer survivor is winning over cancer and the people dying from cancers. This is the only one quality making a HIV patient recovered and making healthy lifestyle. Just taking responsibility. Taking responsibility. You can also see the people recovering from paralysis who take responsibility. You can also see people who recover from cerebral atrophy and cerebral palsy who take responsibility. You can also see the people who have the toughest pain-based disease called fibromyalgia getting recovered by who having this quality. What is that quality? Simply saying taking responsibility. If the people who are taking responsibility of their own health, their own emotions, their own attitude, their own perceptions, their own thinking, their own environment, they are succeeding in healing and recovering from incurable diseases, which is labeled by most of the people. But the people who don't take responsibility of their own disease and depend upon the pharmacists or doctors or nurses or the family members, they are sacrificing their lives, or they are simply attached to the beds. Let's learn from the history. That's what I learned from the history. That's what I take responsibility of my life, and I also encourage my clients to take responsibility of their lives. This is the only one quality differentiates between a survivor from cancer and a death through cancer. This is the only one quality differentiates not only in health but also in wealth. This is the only one quality which makes you succeed in all your life events, even businesses, in your jobs, in your family relationships. What is that one quality? Taking responsibility. What to take responsibility? Again, I'm clear. Take responsibility of your emotions. Take responsibility of your food. Take responsibility of your lifestyle. Take responsibility of your sleep. Take responsibility of what you feeding your brain. Take responsibility of what you're watching on this mobile like YouTube. Take responsibility of what you to others, what you're talking to others. Take responsibility of what your environment is giving you. Take responsibility of what you are watching in TV, what news you are watching. If you take whole responsibility of your own life, that's the first ingredient, the first quality is enough to cure any incurable diseases a person had. And you can also check the people who have this one quality, they are not getting any toughest diseases, life threatening diseases, and also not having any chronic disorders. You can also see that the people who are regularly going yoga, who are taking responsibility, who are doing food good changes in diets, they are not getting many life threatening diseases. Who are taking responsibility for their thinking, their emotions, they are not getting any toughest problems in their life because they take the responsibility. Please, for you and for your family members, I request to protect yourself, to prevent any life threatening disorders and chronic diseases. The only ingredient, only quality you need to cultivate is taking responsibility. Hope everyone liked this video. Please take responsibility and educate your family members and your friends to take responsibility of their own lives. Thank you.